the 5th of February 2022. Oh my god. Fall hailstorm. Hailstorm is a severe weather phenomenon which causes extensive damage to crops, property and livestock. Hailstorm caused substantial damage to the standing crops as well as the horticulture crops within a very short time. Hail is solid precipitation and made of balls or irregular lumps of ice. Oh my god. Very recently, February 2022, heavy rains accompanied by hailstorm damaged paddy fields, maize, mustard, pea plants and other crops in thousands of hectares in Assam.